Good morning guys, welcome to the channel. Mark from Aqua Exterior Cleaning. So we've got a pressure washing job today. Small driveway, path all down the side, patio in the back garden and the path all the way up the back garden. So yeah, going to get some footage. Get a bit of footage. I have done the front and forgot to record, so I'll take you through the front now it's all done, and then take you through the back and you can see what we're working with. Alright, so as you can see, front's all done. We've got through to the back. Next, start on this. So we've got all this path here, all the patio area, all the path along there, and there's a small patio up the top as well. So yeah, let's get into some time walk. That's all the pressure washing done. I didn't use the flat surface cleaner on the path because I didn't want the nozzles getting blocked on the FSC, so it was just easier to use the turbo nozzle. Going to get some sand down now. We'll give you a quick show around and then we'll get on with the sanding. This isn't quite dry yet, so we'll have to wait for it to dry, possibly come back. I'm hoping it'll dry today. But as you can see, it's come out absolutely lovely. Just take you through to the front drive as well, that's all been sanded. There we go guys. There's a bit of additional sand on there. I'll leave that just to settle until I finish, and then before I go up, clear it up, just gets any little bits of the cracks that I might have missed, and it'll go straight into them. So yeah, stay tuned.